Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small engine repair business. So as the owner of a business, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot to instantly reply to these queries using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and after creating the chatbot, whenever a user is going to send a message on a WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So now here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small engine repair shop that can handle common customer questions, book appointments and more automatically. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my small engine repair business by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text over here as I want to book a service. And here you can see we have received the text as hi, welcome to the Rapid Fix Engine Repairs. How can we help you today? And here we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as book a repair, check pricing and shop info. So here we are going to select book a repair. And then it says, great to get started, please share your full name. So here I'm going to share the full name. And then it says, thanks, now please select the equipment type. So I'm going to select a random equipment type. And then it says, got it, lastly share your preferred date and type for the repair or pickup. So I'm going to give the date as 20th May 2025. It says, thank you, your repair request has been received. Our team will confirm the availability shortly. You will hear from us soon. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing chatbot by using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage and here you can see 2 options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here let me give an overview that how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to add the WhatsApp number, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner. And then you will be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is the preferred method. That means you should use this particular method to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here if you wish to learn about this method in detail, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. Alright, and if you want to select the manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to get all these details. And after adding the details, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available in the left sidebar given over here. So now if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the team queue. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member. Then comes the template. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. By using this particular feature, you can create the WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the settings, and here under settings, you can see some amazing features as well. So if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can get a response of all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the Pabbly Chatflow's features, and now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here under this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've already created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. And now firstly here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to add a new flow over here by clicking on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now here in my flow window, I'm going to give a name to my flow first, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your small engine repair business. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that you can select the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can set up the regex or the keywords as well. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. For example, if we add a very basic keyword that is hey over here, so for that we are going to type the keyword first and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. So now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, I want to know more about your services, while another might write, what is the pricing of your services? So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next steps. So it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now after setting up the flow start as the regex, we are going to move to the next step. And then here once the customer is going to send any of the message on my WhatsApp chat, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as hi, welcome to Rapid Fix Engine Repairs. How can we help you today? So this is a very basic message, and here you can see I have used asterisk before and after my brand name. That is because here I wanted to make this text bold. So here you need to use this particular text format to make your text bold in your message. Alright, so this is a basic text, and now after entering this message, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with this message box, where I'm going to enter the text as book a repair, check pricing and shop info. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now further we are going to set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. So let's start with book a repair. Alright, so now once my customer is going to select this particular quick reply button, then I want to ask about the customer name first to book a repair. So for that I'm going to click on this action type notes, and from here I'm going to drag this ask a question message box over here. And here in this ask a question message box, I'm going to add the text as great, to get started please share your full name. And here firstly I'm going to add the text to ask for the full name, and now after entering the message, it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here if you wish to learn about this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature available on our YouTube channel. And here let me tell you that I've already created my contact custom field for the full name. So here if you wish to access the contact custom field, then you need to click on the settings, and then you'll be able to see the option of contact custom fields. Alright, so I'm going to select the contact custom field of full name that I've already created, and here for the format I'm going to select my field type as text, and then here it is asking me to enter the number of attempts. So I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank, and we are all done. So I'm going to build a connection between this quick reply button and this message box, and once my customer is going to reply with the full name, then I want to ask another question to my customer. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here. And now here you might be thinking that if I want to ask the question, then why I'm not adding the question message box over here? Because here I want to ask the question with some quick replies button. So that's why I've added a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as thanks, now please select the equipment type. Alright, so now here after asking this particular question, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as lawnmower, generator and chainsaw. Alright, so now after adding the equipment type, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask another question to my customer. And now here, once my customer is going to select any of the equipment type, then automatically I want to ask a common question to my customer. And for that, I've added a question message box over here. And here I'm going to add the question as, got it. Lastly, share your preferred date and time for the repair or pickup. Alright, so I'm going to ask for the preferred date, and then I'm going to connect all these quick reply button to this question message box. And this time I'm going to select my contact custom field as date. And here in this particular format, I'm going to select the format as text, because my customer may write the date or the time in a text as well. So for that, I'm going to add a basic format that is text, and here I've added the number of format. So with this, we have successfully completed this question message box as well. So once my customer is going to reply with any of the preferred date and time, then I want to send a thank you or a small confirmation message to my customer. So for that, I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, thank you, your repair request has been received. Our team will confirm the availability shortly. You will hear from us soon. Alright, so with this, we have successfully completed the setup of this particular quick reply button. And now let's move back to the another quick reply button, that is check pricing. So for that, I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, here's a quick look at our standard pricing. These are the services with the pricing, and then it says, would you like to book a service? And now after entering this message, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as, yes, book now, no just browsing. Alright, so now here I'm going to connect this quick reply button of yes, book now to the book a repair quick reply button. That means this question message box, so that if my customer is going to select this particular quick reply button, then he or she should be directed to this flow. Alright, so for now, we are going to leave this quick reply button as blank, and we are going to move back to the main message box. So here we are left with the last quick reply button, that is shop info. So for that, we are going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, this is our entire store info that says our location. Here you can see the working hours, callers, and it says want to schedule a repair. And for that, again, I'm going to add some quick replies button with the text as, book a repair and view services. And now again, I'm going to connect this book a repair quick reply button to the question message box of book a repair, so that it should be directed to this flow. And then we are left with the view services quick reply button. So for that, we are going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, here are the services we offer. So these are some services, and lastly it says need help with any of the above. So I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as, yes, book now, and go back to menu. Alright, so with this, we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now we are going to connect this yes, book now quick reply button to that book a repair question message box, and we are all done. Alright, so now we are left with no just browsing quick reply button of this message box. So we are going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and then we are going to connect this go back to menu quick reply button to the main message box, and here we are all done. Alright, so with this, we have successfully set up our entire WhatsApp chatbot for our small engine repair business. And now after setting up this chatbot, we are going to save this flow first by clicking on the save button given over here, and you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we just right now created. Alright, so now after creating this chatbot, we are going to test this chatbot once again, and for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account, and then here I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so again, let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop a text to this chat as, I want to know about the pricing of your services. And it says, hi, welcome to the Rapid Fix Engine Repairs. How can we help you today? And similarly, we have received the 3 quick replies button, and once you're going to click on any of the quick reply button, then automatically your chatbot is going to get triggered. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this chatbot once again. And now here, let me show you the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers, that is of inbox. So we are going to access the inbox given in the left side bar, and here in the inbox, you can see all your WhatsApp chats, and you can see the entire chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and your customer. And also you can see the status of the messages sent, delivered, or read. And not only this, you can also see your customer details available in the right side panel. Alright, so this was all about the inbox. Now let's move back to the flows, and now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our flow start as regex. That means we have triggered our WhatsApp chatbot through a regex, and then we have sent a hello or a welcome message to our customer with some quick replies button as book a repair, check pricing, and shop info. And then further, we have set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button, and also we have asked about some customer details to book a repair service. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here, if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot, or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.